Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Elsa and choosing a single speaking goal. This narrows practice and speeds progress. Once you sign in, make sure the microphone check passes and pick your accent or level so feedback matches how you speak. Then tap the first lesson and start the guided prompts. You'll hear short clips, repeat sentences, and receive immediate scores. This first loop trains muscles and ear together. Keep your mouth relaxed and mimic intonation to get the most useful corrections right away. You now move into deeper practice. Repeat drills and phoneme exercises target the exact sounds that cause errors. As you practice, study the visual feedback, waveform alignment, stress markers, and colored scores, which show precisely where you missed timing or pitch. Once done with each clip, tap Review to see suggested tips and compare your recording to the model. Make sure to adjust difficulty if items are too easy, and commit to a 10 to 20-minute daily routine to reinforce learning. You finish each session by taking the end quiz and saving key recordings so you can compare over time. Once done, inspect the progress dashboard to spot trends and set the next lesson accordingly. If a sound keeps failing, follow the app tips. Slow the tempo, exaggerate stress, and repeat the troublesome sentence 5 times to retrain muscle memory. If feedback seems wrong, check mic permissions, reduce background noise, or reconnect Bluetooth. Restarting the app usually clears transient audio issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.